Hi, I'm Matt Crandall, the owner of Avant-Garde, and well known as 911R on Bring a Trailer. And for over 35 years, we've specialized in connecting incredible cars with the right buyers. And we do it exclusively with our partnership with Bring a Trailer, which is the premier online auction site for specialty and exotic vehicles. In fact, we are proud to be the top seller on the site, and for a good reason. Our team handles everything from start to finish. From our detailed intake process, we set the expectations for top dollar sales by preparing the car completely for our ultra-professional photography and video presentations. And most importantly, we handle the auction from start to sale completion. We built a reputation for accuracy, transparency, and top results, which is why collectors and enthusiasts continue to trust us with their prized vehicles. Our team has created a proven process that we put every vehicle through to ensure it crosses the finish line with a great sale result. Our process includes cosmetic restoration, mechanical inspection and repairs, detail, paint correction, dry ice cleaning, and underside detailing. We also do extensive research on each vehicle to ensure that we have all the possible documentation to optimize its value in its sale. Our goal is to make sure the sellers see the best results and our buyers are satisfied with their purchase. With over 35 years of being in the automotive industry, I've sold everything from classic Porsches, Ferraris, European collectibles, American muscle, and modern exotics. 911R is consistently achieving top sales and record-breaking results. With thousands of successful auctions, we know how to showcase your car to maximize its value. If you're thinking about selling your car on BAT, let's do the heavy lifting for you. At Avant-Garde, we'll make sure you get the best presentation possible and the results you're looking for. As a Bring a Trailer partner, 911R will make this a streamlined and fun experience. Please use the Contact Seller button to start a conversation or visit our website. I'm Matt Crandall with the Avant-Garde and 911R. We look forward to helping you sell and get the results you deserve.